Set up Chrome extension from the link. Visit this website page to upload your Excel file. Place your email address. Place column identity from the Excel file that contains your links or URLs. You can find columns in alphabetical identity in your Excel file. Here you can set index number to define from which row you want to start reading. As you can see in this Excel, we have 10 rows. But I want to read the link or URL from number 2. So my index value will be 2 in settings. Upload your Excel file. Click Submit to open links or URLs in the browser. You can see the first 2 links from the Excel file columns A and B have opened in a new tab. Now click extension icon to read the next 2 links or URLs from that same Excel file. Keep continuing to click the extension icon to read the next links or URLs. Thank you. For support or customization, contact us at support@websautomation.com.